So I had an idea when I went to the last strategic planning meeting. There's a few things that were mentioned that the upper management wanted. They wanted to assess the success of this plan. They wanted seamless upward-downward communication. They wanted transparency, evidence-based, and I think all of these goals could be accomplished within our Moodle system currently by just using the competency feature that's on Moodle. And basically it's a feature where you're able to see what here is the feature, competency. Every assignment has it at the bottom. You just go to the bottom, you scroll, and you click competencies. And what you can do is upload. So e-learning can upload all the different competencies, the objectives. For example, 3.1, develop processes that nourish multi-directional communication between and across university. All of those can be already inputted here. For example, it would just read here like objective 3.1, maybe just a summary title or whatever, but they can all be inputted. And then here, upon completion, so this can be the teacher or the student can attach evidence to what proves that this has been completed. You can send for review, which means send it to upper management to see if it's already, to check the validity of that completion, or just say that it's complete. So this is a great feature because it's just another way that the university can communicate, get immediate implementation on two sides. First of all, the instructors already have, so let's look at this map. So a bunch of instructors are here. They already have Moodle pages with their students. So let's just say that instructor says that they want to do one of the KPIs where the goal for social engagement, and they're doing the objective, strengthen connections with communities, industries, and organizations. So the instructor can make an assignment or project, and students can give evidence on the Moodle page that they have completed that, and that would show that they have completed this KPI. But then also, so that's from instructor to student, but then also what can happen is we can have from mid-management to upper management. And so what's great about Moodle, upper management can see everything down below it, and we can make it so that mid-management can see everything below it. So upper management will be able to see what all the different departments are doing, and then those different departments can see what their different sections are doing. So again, it's just a great way, I think, to get immediate implementation. You can track it, easily tracked for upper management and everyone. It's a great way to track objectives and initiatives by staff and admin, to be constantly thinking about the KPIs and have them in their mind as they're doing assignments or doing professional development. Easier for staff and faculty to show implementation of the objectives, and shows transparency. So I just think it's a good idea. If you're interested, let me know. You can always email me and we can talk about it. And yeah.